In cities across India, there are thousands of street and working children who are living and working in difficult circumstances. In Delhi only, there exist an estimated 5 lakh street and working children. These children are deprived of their basic rights such as food, shelter and education. Though India is a signatory of the United Nations Convention on Child Rights, which promises to ensure the right to survival, protection, development and participation, but the reality is far away from these rosy goals.
पापा को बीमारी थी ना, उसी मारे पहले मैंने भीख मांगी, भीख के मारा मैंने कबाड़ी चूरने लगी, कबाड़ी के बहाना मैंने वो गुटके बेचने लगी, उसके बाद फिर मेरी मम्मी बोला मेरे पापा का बीमारी ठीक हो गया, फिर मैंने जब से मैं भीख ही मांग रही थी.
The right to education has been enacted all across the country. This strongly advocates that every child has the right to education. But the reality is not supporting this on the ground.
हमारे पापा बोलते थे कि स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ना है, स्कूल में मतलब कि लड़के और लड़कियां पढ़ने जाती थी तो उनको ये राजी नहीं था कि लड़कों के साथ हमारी लड़कियां पढ़ने जाएंगी, वो घर में ही रहेंगी, भले नहीं पढ़ेंगी.
हम पे इतना पैसा नहीं है जो हम स्कूल में पढ़ सकें. मैं अपने घर में बैठा रहता था, मम्मी पापा स्कूल नहीं भेजते थे, इस वजह से मैं पढ़ने नहीं जाता था.
Childhood enhancement through training and action. Chetna is a non-profit organization working towards the empowerment of street and working children in Delhi and NCR. Chetna strongly believes that these children already have a variety of life skills that are unused as these children are deprived of formal education.
Childhood enhancement through training and action is working for children who are living and working in difficult circumstances. The support which we are receiving from Microsoft is fabulous, and we are getting so much support from Microsoft that today we've been able to reach to 206 children who are getting an education through this NIOS and OBE center.
Chetna in 2008 got accreditation to run a distance learning center called OBE, that is Open Basic Education, run under the National Institute of Open Schooling.
In this open system, we enroll children in the open basic education for the 3rd, 5th and 8th standard. For this open basic education, we follow the NCERT curriculum, in which to support the education, we also develop some worksheets for them. But we ensure that the minimum time of wastage should be there for the children. So our teachers go to the children and teach them instead of the children coming to us for studies. We also try to enhance the personalities of the children. We tell them the importance of studies, which is going to bring to their life.
Microsoft, a leading software company in India, has extended its support for the noble cause of educating these underprivileged children through the open basic education.
Microsoft since last 6 years has been running the employee giving and employee volunteering program. So as part of this program, we have chosen to partnership with certain NGOs. The selection criteria for choosing an NGO is, of course, they have to work in education. We have to believe that they're doing very good work and that through partnering with them, we can really make an impact in the community. So if I have to briefly sum it up, then I would say a credible NGO which is making a maximum impact in the community.
The employees of Microsoft every year pledge to support these children, and the company matches the equal amount of the individual support which goes to Chetna through the Charity Aid Foundation. There were many children who were in a difficult situation, but now are happy to be part of formal education.
पहले मैं काम करती थी तो मैडम उधर पढ़ाने के लिए आती थी, तो हमारे गलियों में आई, तो सर्वे की, तो हमारा भी नाम लिखी, तो हम भी पढ़ने लग गए और पढ़ते पढ़ते हमें पॉइंट की लीडर बनाई, लीडर बना के बढ़ते कदम का जिला अध्यक्ष बनाई और वहाँ से फिर मेरे को ओपन से एडमिशन करवाई। तो मैं तीसरी क्लास में पढ़ी और तीसरी क्लास से पास होके 5वीं में गई और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
पहले ABCD उसने सिखाई, ABCD नहीं आती थी, फिर उसने गिनती सिखाई, गिनती भी नहीं आती थी। उसने मुझे कॉपी दे के बोला तेरे मन में क्या क्या रहता है उसको लिख, फिर मैंने उसको लिख के दिया। फिर मैंने यहाँ पे पढ़ते पढ़ते तीसरी क्लास के पास करके 5वीं होके आई।
Children are given free books, free education, nutrition throughout the year during the days of the classes.
जो मैम ने किताबें दी है मैं उनसे पढ़ना चाहता हूँ और सोचता हूँ कि मैं बहुत अपने देश के लिए नाम कमाना चाहता हूँ। ये मेरे दिल में उमंग है और मैं बड़ा होकर फौज में जाना चाहता हूँ।
स्टेशन पे पहले मैं कबाड़ा बीनता था और नशा करता था। सेंटर गया एक दिन जाने के बाद मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा। मैं दूसरे दिन गया, दूसरे दिन भी अच्छा नहीं लगा। जब 5-6 दिन हो गए ना, फिर मैं अपने अच्छा लगने लगा थोड़ा थोड़ा। फिर मैं वहीं रहने लगा, वहीं पढ़ने लगा, डांस सीखने लगा। सेंटर से जुड़ के बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं डांसर बनना चाहता हूँ और दूसरे की ज़िंदगी भी ऐसे ही सुधारना चाहता हूँ।
This is a sincere attempt of the Chetna team and humble support from the Microsoft employees, and it is paving the way for 206 street children who are linked with this center.
It was quite an overwhelming experience. Giving, contributing is one thing, and actually coming and experiencing how the children are doing and how the contribution made by us, by Microsoft, how it is being utilized, actually seeing them interacting with the children, listening to them, smiling with them, looking at their dances, cultural programs, it is quite an experience.
The work Chetna is doing is truly inspirational. I'm humbled today being here and spending time and seeing the work that Chetna does. It's very little for somebody who's working in a job. You won't even, it's probably less than the price of a dinner at a good restaurant. But the work that can be done with something as little as that, it could be money or it could be time that you devote to the organization, is huge. Trust me, I mean, give a little and I think the results that you see will be more than worth it.
I would tell potential donors that here is an opportunity. We can ensure that every street child gets off the street, and if we can't take them off the street, we give them an opportunity to make their lives better. So come forward and really partner with Chetna.
This is not the end. This is just a beginning which is looking forward for more helping hands for the cause. Let us pledge to continue our support.